I can't be.
Even though she make me sick sometimes, I just had to make this little bitch mine.
It's a lot of bought Chevy talk going on right now. A lot of bought Chevy talk going on, man. A lot of people saying, oh, you got to be frame off in order to have a bought Chevy, to be qualified to talk to the big dogs. Listen, man, I don't say too much, but if you frame off and you got a bought Chevy, you feel like I can't talk to you, man, come see Melrose, dog. Come see Melrose. I always tell people, dog, it's not about the car. It's about the dude that's in the inside of the car.
You ready?
Yeah. Woo. Yo, we back again with another little vlog, man. I told y'all Harmonic Balancer just came in. It was supposed to be in like 2 days ago, but unfortunately, O'Reilly's was kind of late. So now, I'm out here right now, finna crank Melrose up. I'm gonna drive Melrose to go pick up our pod, man. I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. Every time we got something that we need to go pick up for the boss, we're gonna handle with the boss. Everything with the Ultimate, we're gonna handle with the Ultimate, man. Please excuse my appearance, man. I haven't had a good shave in about a good month, man. I'm trying to wolf it out. As y'all can see, I got like little patch spots, man. Anybody that ever experienced this, if y'all got any type of regimens that I can, you feel me, get to be able to fill in these patches, please let me know. I'm trying to get that what pliers call it, that Ben Laden. I'm trying to get that Ben Laden all around here like the Philly niggas, man. So y'all got any type of regimen, man, drop below, man. Let me know what can I do in order to fill in these patches. But yeah, get ready. Crank up Melrose and get to this O'Reilly's. While I'm out, I'll probably get me something to eat for the night too, man. We gotta shoot down to Port St. Lucie to Glenn. Let Glenn drop this home tomorrow. Glenn also got to do work on the 2500, nothing major. I guess just come along for the vlog, man. Come along for the vlog.
I can't be.
balancer. O'Reilly's, man. Shout out to it. Now I don't know if I want to go over there and go get some Chipotle or just take it back to the house, man. But I don't know. I know she do need some gas. We just got gas like 2 days ago. But we back again, man. Give y'all a real good tip, man. Brown rice, black beans, chicken, of course double sour cream, double cheese, and a tad bit of the spicy sauce on the side. Don't get it all over, man, because you're going to kill the whole taste. You feel me? It's just going to be overly powered with that salsa. This is my Chipotle order. I promise you, dog. This is the most swingingest combination in the world, dog. My boy Bo, the owner of Flipper, man, he swear like his combination is the fives, dog. You feel me? Bo, if you watching this, dog, which I know you is, man, listen. You already know we got the #1 Chipotle setup in the world. Look, man, just look at the sour cream, bro. Just look at the sour cream. That's what I'm talking about. And of course, you got a good view, because we got Melrose in the cut over there, man. I gotta eat, dog, because once I go back home, it's straight vlog mode, and then we gotta go on the trailer and do all that extra crap. Might as well just go ahead and sit here and enjoy my food, dog. I ain't gotta come back out. I can jump on the game later if I wanted to and everything. We dig in, man. Get y'all back in a few. I'm not gonna lie, man. When I sit back and I look at Melrose and see where she done came from to her she look now, this is crazy. But I'm back from Chipotle now. We got that harmonic balancer back there in the back seat. I'm gonna take it out and bust open the box and let y'all see it. I don't have a crazy harmonic balancer on this car. Something real simple, a little stock one. It'll do the job for what I need done. And that was word from Glenn. He said you don't need nothing that's too crazy. So. O'Reilly's, man. Shout out to my boy Carlos every time that I go to the O'Reilly's over here in my area. You feel me? He always hooking me up. Always, man. As soon as I walk through the door, he already knew what time it was. So, man, shout out to Carlos. Sit back and bask in Melrose glory. Powder coat done by Casey. Oh, that Tallahassee powder coat. He did my hinges. He did my little hook piece, whatever you want to call that crap, man. My dog on the spring, man. Shout out to Casey. Anyways, we got harmonic balancer. Got to put Melrose on the trailer. Try to get to Glenn early in the morning. He told me to come tomorrow. I told him Thursday. I called him back and I told him, I said, nah, bro. Wednesday, I got to go ahead and knock this out because I got some things that I got to take care of back at the crib on Thursday and Friday, and I can't be tied up. So that being said, we're going to Glenn in the morning, put the new harmonic balancer on. Somebody on my last vlog had told me that the reason why it's squeaking is because of my belt. You might be right. I do have a smaller belt. The reason why I ended up going a bigger belt on here is to loosen up some of the tension from the bottom pulley, man, because I ain't like that clicking noise that it was going on down at the bottom. I felt like something was gonna break, so I was like, you know what? Let me put a slightly bigger belt, slightly. Like this one right here is still tight to the point where it's not gonna slip off, but man, once I put that other belt on and the harmonic balancer get fixed, and it should be nice, tight. My volts is still staying at 14.5, so I really want to know once I put that tighter belt on there and we fix that down at the bottom, what my volts may be. It might be 15.5. You never know. I hope it don't be 15.5, because that'll be a little too much overcharging, but hey, it is what it is, man. So I'm going to go ahead and finish wiping up Melrose, because I don't like my car to get on that trailer if I ain't got no good wipe down. We're gonna get a good wipe down, we're gonna get a good thumbnail, and that's pretty much about it, man. Go inside this house and lounge, probably catch me like a little movie, watch the game or something like that. And I got a surprise for y'all too, man, as far as like what I'm bringing to the channel. It's a lot of about Chevy talk going on right now. A lot about Chevy talk going on, man. A lot of people saying, oh, you got to be frame off in order to have a Boss Chevy, to be qualified to talk to the big dogs. Listen, man, I don't say too much, but if you frame off and you got a Boss Chevy, you feel like I can't talk to you, man, come see Melrose, dog. Come see Melrose. I always tell people, dog, it's not about the car, it's about the dude that's in the inside of the car. So if the dude in the inside of the car ain't no cool dude, the car ain't gonna be no cool car. You feel me? It's like you hanging out with the cool kid. God damn, Melrose, you squatted back there. Ooh, big squatted back though. I don't wonder how them thingalings gonna lay down on that thing, but yeah, man. It's like when you in school and you hanging out with the cool kids. Just because you hanging out with the cool kids don't mean that you cool. You can still be a lame. You just a lame that hang around cool people. That's it. So never think that, you feel me, just because you frame off, somebody like me who ain't frame off can't sit next to you. Cause we can put it on jack stands. We can look up underneath Melrose. She clean now. She clean. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. So yeah, that's something that I'm gonna end up getting into with the channel, giving y'all little insights on, man. We're gonna be having a topic of discussion. Do you have to be frame off? And how much money do you really gotta spend in these old schools, man? Because I'm so tired of y'all lying to people. Now listen, if you go back on all my old vlogs, which I'm thinking about going back and reposting some of the vlogs that I had did when I was back there in Tallahassee, for all the new subscribers and whatnot that never really seen Melrose from when she was white and I was busting her down, and y'all only seen her when she was red and looking like this. This is all for new subscribers. But if you do want me to, comment down below and I'll try to chop up those videos, try to get y'all a little something so I can be posting on the page in the middle of our topic of discussions that we're gonna be having. It's just a lot of stuff that we could talk about, but we're gonna say that for another vlog, man. We're gonna say that for another vlog. Once we get over this weekend, I get Melrose down there, we hit the show on Sunday, because that's going to be a whole nother vlog. We got Flipper in the lab right now. You feel me? We're going to see Flipper tomorrow. Flipper got a whole big surprise for y'all. You feel me? It's just so much, man. Y'all just got to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down at the bottom, man. Comment down at the bottom. Y'all got to comment, man. And let me know how y'all feel about it. So until then, man, catch y'all in the morning. Headed out going to Glendale. Hades Motorsports.